we are in Hukstrand, which is a beach called Huk. Yeah, this is the right pronunciation. And from the city center, we took the bus 30, which took us all the way down here. Well, the sea in here, it's actually nice. It's a bit wavy, but the weather is so nice, and the summer in Norway, it's actually better than I expected. Of course, the sea is nothing like the Mediterranean seas, but it's still fine, clear and clean, and you can actually place your stuff to anywhere that you want. Besides, what can I tell you more? Well, Hukstrand, Huk Beach is a part of Big Døy, and it is so easy to reach it. It is so easy to reach by bus. So it takes approximately 25 minutes. So if you want to enjoy summer in Norway, please visit Hukstrand, Huk Beach, when you come to Oslo. Hi from the newly built sand beach in Bjørvika in Oslo. So yes, this is a built beach, as you can see. All these sands are not natural, but still the sea is fine. It's not as cold as it was in the beginning of summer, so I could still enjoy it. And the sun is up in Oslo, as you can see. Well, where is the sun? It's there. Yeah, well, you cannot see it properly, but anyways, so this is a public beach. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to, you don't have to buy anything. You can just grab your snacks and grab your towel, sunscreen, and come over here on a sunny day to enjoy the newly built sand beach in Bjørvika. It's not that pleasant, to be honest, coming from Turkey. But still, I think when the sun is up, you can enjoy your summer in Norway if you're in Oslo city centrum.
Have the runner just be on. Have the runner just be on the run. It's a night I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone. Yeah, tomorrow's out of sight. It's so sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Ever try to wrong? I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. It's the night I need a friend.
So we gotta push these, well, these are the balls. We gotta push these boards towards the end. So we have to throw it to the end, and if you come to 4 and this is success, 3 is good, 2 and 1. But if it stops in the middle, then you get no points. So let's see. No! Oh, no, it dropped.